Unraveling the Tasty Mysteries, Prawn Curry. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic that's bound to make your mouth water. The phrase, prawn curry. Whether you're a food lover or just curious about English expressions, this video will give you a taste of cultural cuisine while enhancing your vocabulary. So, let's get cooking with words. Prawn curry is a phrase that combines two words, prawn, which refers to a type of seafood, and curry, which is a variety of dishes originating from different cultures, especially Indian cuisine. Together, they describe a dish made with prawns and a blend of spices and herbs simmered in a sauce. It's a popular dish in many parts of the world and can vary in flavor from mild to very spicy. In this section, we'll dive into what goes into making a prawn curry. Key ingredients typically include prawns, onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and a mix of spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Coconut milk or cream is often added to create a rich, creamy sauce. Each ingredient is essential to give the dish its characteristic flavor and aroma. Curry dishes are deeply rooted in the cultures of South Asia, Southeast Asia, and other parts of the world. Prawn curry, in particular, showcases the use of seafood in coastal regions. The dish reflects the history, trade, and culinary innovation that have shaped various cultures, emphasizing the significance of curry not just as food but as a part of cultural identity. The recipe for prawn curry varies by region, reflecting local tastes and available ingredients. For instance, a Thai prawn curry often includes lemongrass and lime leaves, while an Indian version might use garam masala and fenugreek leaves. This diversity makes prawn curry a wonderful example of how a single dish can tell many stories about the world's cultures and cuisines. And there you have it, a flavorful journey through the meaning and significance of prawn curry. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English phrases and perhaps even tempted you to try out this delicious dish for yourself. If you enjoyed learning with us, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty language lessons. Happy learning and bon appétit!